Can't find your wallet while you're in a hurry? Try Tap It. Easy to find. With vegan leather, it feel like your skin, tough like armor. 2-in-1 magnetic magic. Deployed anywhere. Accidentally forget it? Don't worry, you'd lose it. It is the world's first trackable wallet with both Apple Find My and Google's Find My device. Easy to contact. Thanks to the built-in NFC business card. Many incredible, beautiful custom business card templates. Slim magnetic card holder. Take it off and go light. Waterproof IP68. Doesn't matter even the water. And always online. In this Kickstarter campaign, you'll have more options to suit your needs, or collect the entire set. Track and find any item, forever. InCard Seinxon Trackable Wallet Plus, the world's first trackable wallet with both Apple Find My and Google's Find My device.